In this tutorial, we will be solving the following exercise. Find the value of the logarithm. And so here we have the following solved example. Example 4. It says find the value of all four logarithms. So basically, we're going to be looking for the value of x. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the first one. The first one says a log 381 equal to x. Let's find the value of x. Now we know that you can find it through log a n equal to x, where a to the power x is equal to n. And so 3 to the power x is equal to 81. How much is x? We also know that 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. And so in such case, x would be equal to 4. Since 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81, this means that the missing value x is equal to 4, and that would be log 381 equal to 4, which is the final answer for the first example A. Moving on to example B. It says log 4 equal to 0.25 equal to x. Let's find x. 4 to the power x is equal to 0.25. Now let us stop here for a second. We know that 0.25 can be written in fraction form. And so in such case, that would be 1 over 4. 4 to the power x equal to 1 over 4. Also, we know that 1 over 4 can also be written in its reciprocal form. 4 to the power x is equal to 4 to the power minus 1. And so that would mean that x is equal to minus 1. And that would be the final answer for part B. Now, in such case, what we did is found the fraction form of the decimal, then found its reciprocal, and solved a simple equation to find the missing value, x, which in such case turned out to be minus 1. Moving on to part C, log 0.54 equal to x. Now, the same idea here, 0.5x is equal to 4. We know that 0.5 is equal to a fraction. So let's go ahead and do the same thing to find the value of x. Again, here we have 1 over 2, x equal to 4. And we also know that 1 over 2 is 2 to the power minus 1, all raised to the power x equal to 4. And 4 can also be written as 2 squared. And so in such case, this would mean that 2 to the power minus x is equal to 2 to the power 2. And so that would mean that minus x is equal to 2 and that x is equal to minus 2. So in such case, what we did here is that we changed the 0.5 into a fraction, found the reciprocal, and then solved a simple equation in order to find the value of the missing variable x. Notice that here, what we did is that we changed also the value 4 into 2 squared so that it would become easier. Finally, we have log a to the power 5 equal to x. And so this would basically mean that a to the power x is equal to a to the power 5. So what's left off is a simple equation, and that x would be equal to 5, and that would be the final answer for D.